Hello, Mr. Jason's friends. This is Mr. Jason, back from my bedroom again. I have a new book for you today. Hopefully you got online and you learned about how we use pictures to tell stories sometimes. Now, I have a book for you that only has one word. The whole book is just one word. Now, I'm going to read this to you, and I want you guys to take special attention to listen to the one word, but look at the pictures and understand how these pictures are actually telling the story, even though the word is the same on every page. The pictures and the way you say that word all make a difference on how you tell the story. So, today's book is called Dude. It's written by Aaron Reynolds, that's the author, and illustrated or drawn by Dan Santat. All right, so without further ado, we're going to read Dude. Dude. Got our little friend the platypus here, and his friend the beaver. Dude. 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 They look pretty excited, don't they? See how that picture is telling us all the things that we need to know? Do you see that big sign there, though? Uh-oh. I learned about that sign last week. That means danger. Hopefully these guys aren't doing something that they shouldn't. Oh, look at that. Dude. Dude. Oh, they're excited with the bird. Splat. Dude. Oh, dude. Dude. Oh, see how our picture is telling us what's happening here? It's only one word, but see how our picture is telling us? Look at that shark. Dude. Dude. Got the shark and the platypus just hanging out. Look at that picture there. Do you think both of them feel very comfortable right now? Our pictures are telling us the whole story. Look at that. The beaver went and got him an ice cream for our shark friend. He looks pretty happy now. Oh, here we go. Now the platypus has an idea. See that light bulb above his head? See, we didn't have to have words, we just knew. But he says, dude, and he swims away. Look at that. He brought a surfboard. Oh, look at that. What great illustration. What great drawings. Dude! All three of them together. Uh-oh. Remember our sign? Look at those three faces. Dude! 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 What do you think's gonna happen? Make a prediction. Did you say they would crash? There's not even a word on this page, but look at that awesome illustration. That drawing tells us the whole story. We've got the platypus upside down, the beaver's on his back, the shark looks like he hit his head, and those broken surfboards. Oh, what a great picture telling us the story. Dude. Dude. Uh-oh, look at the shark. Dude! dude! I wonder if he's got an idea. They're all swimming together, and then, dude? And then he points at something. I wonder what he's pointing at. Do you guys have a guess? Do you guys have a prediction? Let's see if you were right. Who said surfing on the shark? The surf. Look at that. The shark is being a surfboard. And you got the seagulls in the background, or pelicans maybe, giving them scores on their surfing ability. Oh, look at that shark. He's pointing at something again. Dudes! What do you think he wants? Oh, our friend the shark wants some ice cream. But look at the other people. Dudes! They look a little scared, don't they? That's another great picture showing us what's going on without any words. Oh, now look at our three friends. Dude, dude, dude. Look at all that ice cream they got. You think they maybe got to go get some free ice cream after everybody left? Oh, that's the end. All right, my friends, I hope that you got to enjoy that book. We also got to learn a little bit how illustration or drawing, or even just drawing a picture or finding a picture, can mean so many things, regardless of how many words are on it or near it. And that picture books can be just as interesting as a book with all sorts of chapters. All right, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week. Bye!